Ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the Leon Nelsonfoot YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be trying my very best to improve my switch stance. If you guys don't know what switch is, it's using your opposite foot first to push rather than your regular foot. This could also help you with just your regular skateboarding as well. I mean, this helps for, learning how to skate in general. I'm gonna start off with doing all of the basic SMS1 tricks in switch stance, and then we're gonna move on from there. The switch shove it and the switch back 180 are kind of weaknesses for me. I'm gonna practice those two for we'll put a timer on for 5 minutes each. Time's up. All right, now I'm gonna do switch shove-its for 5 minutes. And time's up. Okay, now I'm gonna be moving on to a trick that I have not actually done yet. I'm gonna give myself more time to try to land the trick, and this trick is switch heel flip. I'm gonna give myself a 10-minute time limit to land this trick. If I don't land it, I have to move on to something else, because if you stick yourself to one thing, it can get you frustrated, can get you really tired. It can just make the session end earlier because you'll get mad because you can't land it. For most people, if you're not landing a trick after 10 minutes, try to move on to something else. You always keep trying to progress. That's kind of the main thing when trying to get better at skateboarding. I'm gonna put a 10-minute time limit on this switch heel flip, and then we're gonna move on to switch kick flip. Let's start.
We have Nelsonfoot! Hey!
What? No. Time's up, and I'm gonna give it 5 more tries. So I unfortunately failed the switch heel flip, which is okay. Anyways, we're gonna move on to switch kick flip. Timer for 10 minutes, and hopefully I can land it. Probably the best switch kickflip I've ever done. That's what I recommend for you guys. If you guys are trying to learn a new trick, is to practice it for at least 10 minutes a day, put a timer on, and just keep trying it for 10 minutes. And then if you don't get it within that 10 minutes, give it about 10 more tries, 5 to 10 more tries after that time's up. So I recommend the best way to get better at skating is to pace yourself. As you guys can see today, it worked with the switch kickflip. I have not done a switch flip in a very long time, and that was probably the best switch flip I've ever done. So I would have to say that this was very much a success. That's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys, see that subscribe button just kind of pop out of thin air, just make it go away like this. And also the like button, you see that pop up, that little bastard. Just see that and just thunderclap that. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the video today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video that I will produce. Adios.